Hi guys, we are on the boat right now and we are travelling through the lake to go to the national park. So I can't really see, I can't really identify it. Probably the whole thing is a national park, but I mean, it's a really nice boat, it's really steady, very good driving. There's a bar actually, as you can see. It's better than nothing. It's quite expensive tickets, so it's about 180 kun for one adult, and then 110 I think for one child. So that rounds about for a whole full family, for 2 adults and 2 children, is about 580 kun, which is in English 72 pounds. 72 pounds, so that's really expensive. I think it's only like about 49 for an adult, for 2 adults. That's quite a lot. Still no sign of a national park. What? And I'll meet you at the national park, so goodbye.